Good day! I am Dr. Wilfredo S. Tagle, urologist, and welcome to Medical PracTIPS. It is a series of tips and tricks to help you improve your medical practice. For today's episode, we will be talking about the 3 tips for success in medical practice, or the 3 T's, T in medical practice. They are training, treating, and tutoring. For the first T, the training, you have to gain academic training and practical knowledge all about your patients and all craft in medicine. Use all possible sources of your training. It's like residency training, reading from journals, attending meetings, convention, and other sources of trainings from your friends and your seniors. Get expertise certification on these trainings. For example, board examination, diplomate status, fellowship in your specialty. It is very important that when you train, you always try to achieve certifications. And of course, you have to document this and put everything in your resume, okay? Because that is very important for your medical practice. Now, going to the second T, which is treating. Paano kayo manggagamot ng pasyente? Gain all the expertise in treating your patients. As much as possible during training, you get all types of cases. Note that no 2 patients are alike. There are only similarities because the science of medical practice is all about training and experience. So every day, it is always evolving. You have to base your diagnosis on scientific studies, observations, and clinical guidelines. The more patients you encounter, the more experienced and expert you become. If you are a seasoned doctor, you will not be afraid of any conditions that you can encounter later on because you have seen and experienced all those conditions that will come into you. Now, for the third and last T, which is tutoring. After gaining all the training and experience in treating your patients, now it is time for you to teach your juniors. That is tutoring. You have to ensure that your juniors would become better than you. Because it's time for you to retire, they will be the one to take care of you and to be the one to treat you if you became the patient yourself. Okay? So, that's it for today's episode. Turn in every Wednesday, 7 p.m. for the latest episodes of Medical PracTIPS. Okay? See you and bye-bye!